How do you remove these sliding doors from the Nauticat pilothouse motorsailer? In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. The first thing to do is to remove this bracket that prevents the door from going completely open. So, in this case, it's just 2 screws, and I can remove the bracket. And now you should notice this gap here, this opening in the wood here. Notice this, and when we are removing the door, we should slide the door so that the wheel under here is corresponding with the opening here. I will show you later. Now we can see the wheel here under the door. We got one wheel here aft, and there's also a wheel forward on the door. And now we slide the door slowly backwards until it corresponds with the opening. And now the magic happens. I will now lift the door just a little bit and take the bottom of the door out from the boat. Up here there's a sliding thing going in the track. No moving parts, but just a sliding thing. I will show you later. So what I will do now is to lift the door and take it out. So here it's quite heavy. It's a solid teak. Here you got this steel bracket, and this is sliding in the track in the top of the boat. And on the other side here, you can see the wheels. So it's one wheel each side of the door. Oh, quite heavy. So this is seen from below, and here you can see the track where the steel part is moving. It's just for preventing the door from falling in and from falling out. So in top here you have this track, and in the bottom you have the place where the wheels are rolling. Here in the wood below the door you can see a track where the wheels are rolling. Here you can see the gap where the wheel is coming out when we remove the door. And when we replace the door, or when we put the door back again afterwards, we will make sure that the wheels correspond here. Now we want to put the door back in, and we do exactly the same, but opposite. I will show you. So we lift the heavy door, we place it here, approximately corresponding with these gaps, and then we fine-tune it. So we will find these gaps here. Yeah. And now we need this steel bracket in the top to fit into the track here. So doing this alone is a little bit heavy, but it is doable. So now it's in the track here, and the wheels are in here. So I just move the door a little bit forward, and then it's working again. So last thing to do, attach this again, and we're ready to go. So that was how you remove and relocate the sliding door on the Nauticat pilothouse motorsailer. And as you see, it's actually that easy. Bye! Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below.